Good morning, YouTube. Dr. Sola coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. So today we have our sewage pump. It's a three-phase 20 horsepower or 15 kilowatt sewage pump, and we're taking it to a fish farm in Ilorin to power, I think, 14 or 15 ponds. We'll be moving water from 150 meters. So it's a river that's 150 meters away from where the ponds are, and this will be powered by solar. So it's a three-phase 15 kilowatt pump, and we're going to run them using solar panels. So we've done this a few times before, so this will be a new experience. Well, this will be the first time I'm showing what the components that go in before we actually get to the site. So we're using bifacial panels. These are half-cut bifacial. What bifacial panels are, if you look on the back, you can see the panels. Let me see if I can show you what the front looks like, and then I'll show you what the inverter itself looks like as well. So here's one. I cracked it, so I lost money doing this. My fault. As you see the cracks. So this is the front. The front of it looks perfectly normal like any other panel, and then I showed you what the back looked like earlier. So this is what the back looks like. So here's the inverter that's going to drive that 20 horsepower pump. So it's what you call a variable frequency drive inverter. There are no batteries. You connect it, and as long as you meet certain conditions, this will power a 20 horsepower pump. So let me take you around, and you can see, let me see if I can show you. So this one is manufactured by IMVT. We bought it directly from them, and our input voltage is between 250 and 800. As you can see, it's AC three-phase, 380 volts to 440. And then we can push up to 70 amps through it. Our pump is less than that, so that's good. And it outputs AC three-phase and 60 amps from 60 amps. So you see the frequency vary from 0 to whatever that number is. So here it is. So this is what we're going to use to power that 20 horsepower submersible sewage pump. And I would be doing a video once it's up and running. We have 2 pumps already running on that farm, and this is the last one that will take them completely off the grid. So, well, sorry, completely off gasoline powered pumps. So once again, this is Dr. Sola coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. If you're here to subscribe, please click the subscribe button. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up.